back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require absolutely no experience, and it is going to be non-phone. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. The company Conduent, they work with Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governmental agencies. They are in many different industries, and they often hire for data entry clerks. They are also known for hiring with no experience needed, and that is what we have today. Now, while this is a full-time job, please note this is going to be a temporary position, but Conduent is hiring a data entry clerk. This is remote work from home for the United States. This is going to be a 6-month contract, but because it requires no experience, it's perfect for those of you who need some kind of experience to put on your resume to get those dream jobs. You work this for 6 months and then you have that experience to put on your resume. Pay for this position is $13.50 an hour, all the way up to $40 an hour. They do offer a benefit package. They're basically looking for somebody to capture and validate more complex data. You'll pre-adjudicate documents and correct any data as required. You'll research and analyze the issues and ensure sufficient information is available to make decisions on the next steps. You'll conduct additional searches and extract accurate data and input the accurate data into the system. You'll complete these assignments using multiple source documents to verify the data and use additional information to do the work, and you'll return any errors from the electronic data forms to the customer to collect additional information. So it is completely non-phone, looking at source documents, extracting data from it, and inputting it into the system. Now, they are looking for somebody who can type at least 50 words per minute, somebody who has a strong work ethic and great communication skills. Now, above that, you just have to be 18 years or older, have a high school diploma or GED, be eligible to work in the United States, and pass a background check. That is it. No actual work experience is required. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.